Hello friends, again most welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the new syllabus of M.Pharma 2023, Department of Pharmaceutics. M.Pharma, as you know, it is a 2-year course with the 4 semesters. So in first sem you have 4 subjects and 1 practical. Let's see the subjects. First subject is Modern Pharmaceutical Analytical Techniques. Second is the Drug Delivery System. Third, Modern Pharmaceutics. And fourth will be the Regulatory Affairs and 1 practical for the Pharmaceutics. Now in second semester you have again 4 subjects and 1 practical. Let's see the subjects. First is the Molecular Pharmaceutics, Nanotechnology and Targeted Drug Delivery System. Second is Advanced Pharmaceutics and Pharmacokinetics. Third is Computer Aided Drug Delivery System. Fourth is Cosmetic and Cosmeceuticals. Again, there is a practical for second semester for pharmaceutics, and you have some assignment sessions. Hope so. You get the syllabus of the M.Pharma 2023. It is a new syllabus for the M.Pharma. Thank you for watching our video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will provide this syllabus copy in my Telegram account, so you will get the in detail syllabus copy from that.